Hi everyone, this is Venkatanarayana. Today I am going to analyze INFOSYS Q3 Financial 2021 results. First we will discuss year-on-year results, later we will discuss quarter-on-quarter, and finally we will check currently INFOSYS is overvalued or undervalued, and also we will check few more points related to business updates. Here we have results for December 31, 2019 and December 31st, 2020. So if we compare with 2020 December with 2019 December, this is year on year. If we compare September 2020 results with December 2020 results, then this is quarter on quarter. INFOSYS is not cyclical business. It will not depend on seasons. So we'll give 50% importance for year on year and 50% importance for quarter on quarter. Here amount in crores. First we'll check revenue from operations. In 2019 December, revenue was 23,092 crores. In December 2020, 25,927. Here, approximately 3,000 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here, revenue was increased 12.2% year on year. This is good sign. Later, we'll check other income. Previous year, 827 crores. This year, 611 crores. That means approximately 210 crores was decreased. We need to find the reason why other income was decreased. Later expenses. First one is employee benefit expenses. It was increased from 12,994 crores to 14,097 crores. That means here approximately 1100 crores was increased. So why employee benefit expenses was increased means here revenues was increased and also employee benefit expenses also increased. That means they recruited new employees. Later, cost of technical subcontractors. Previous year 1721 crores, this year 1839 crores. Here 110 crores was increased. Later, travel expenses. Here previous quarter 617 crores, this quarter 126 crores. Here nearly 500 crores was saved. Why 500 crores was saved means due to COVID, most of the travels are cancelled. Due to that one, they saved 500 crores. This is positive for the company. Later, cost of software packages and others. Here, they spent 650 crores. Now they spend 1150 crores. Here, cost of software packages was doubled. We need to check the reason. Later, communication expenses 132 crores to 163 crores. Here the amount difference is very small. We'll ignore this one. Later, consultancy and professional charges. Previous quarter 362 crores. Here 319 crores. Here difference is very small. We'll ignore it. Depreciation. Previous quarter 737 crores. Here 826 crores. We'll ignore it. Finance cost. Here they paid 42 crores. Here 49 crores. Here they pay very less interest. That means they have very less debt. This is positive for the company. Other expenses. Previous year 814 crores. This year 818 crores. We'll ignore this one. What we understood based on revenues and expenses. Here revenue was increased from 23,922 crores to 25,927 crores. That means approximately 3,000 crores was increased. Other income was decreased to 100 crores. Later expenses. Here employee benefit expenses was increased from 13,000 crores to 14,000. That means 1100 crores was increased. Here travel expenses was decreased from 617 crores to 126 crores. This is positive for the company. Here cost of software packages increased from 650 crores to 1150 crores. Here we need to find the reason. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 5,849 crores. This year 7,151 crores. This is positive sign. We'll check it in percentage. Profit before tax increased 22.2%. This is very good figure. Later current tax, it was increased from 1492 crores to 1927 crores. Why current tax was increased means here revenue was increased, due to that one current tax was increased. Later deferred tax, previous year 109 crores credited, this year they paid 9 crores. We'll ignore this one. Profit for the period, previous year 4,466 crores, this year 5,215 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Profit after tax increased 16.7% year on year. This is positive side. Here, earning per equity, we have basic and diluted. We'll take diluted value. Previous quarter, they got 10 rupees 50 paise per share. This year, they got 12 rupees 23 paise. This is positive side. Now we'll check quarter on quarter. In September quarter, they got 24,570 crores as revenue. This quarter, 25,927. We'll check it in percentage. Here, 5.5% quarter on quarter increased. Later, employee benefit expenses, it was increased from 13,400 crores to 14,097 crores. Later, traveling expenses, it was decreased from 151 crores to 126 crores. So later, we have very small difference. We'll ignore this all the things. Here, profit before tax. Previous quarter, 6,750 crores. This quarter, 7,151 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, profit before tax, 5.9% quarter on quarter increased. Later, profit for the period. Previous quarter, 4,858 crores. This quarter, 5,215 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, 7.3% quarter on quarter. What we observed based on this results is, here, they got more revenues, profit before tax and profit after tax year on year. In quarter on quarter, it's nearly 5.5% quarter on quarter for revenue, and profit before tax is 5.9% and profit after tax is 7.3%. That means they got more profits year on year and less profits in quarter on quarter. In December quarter, INFOSYS did few acquisitions. We'll check it those things. First one is Guide Vision. Here they acquired this company for 266 crores. Later, Kaleidoscope Animations. This company was acquired for 320 crores. Later, Blue Akaran ICU Group. This company was acquired for 899 crores. Later, Business Transfer, Kalidas Include and Skava Systems Private Limited. For this one, they spent 171 crores and 66 crores. Now we'll check revenues by business segments. Here, revenues by business segments. They have different business segments like financial services, retail, communication, etc. So these figures are in percentage. First one is financial services. It was increased from 31.5% to 33.1%. This is positive side. Here, 33% revenues getting from financial services. Later, retail. It was decreased from 15.3 to 14.7% year on year. For communication, it was decreased from 13% to 12.4%. Energy, utilities, resources. Here, 12.8 to 12.5. Manufacturing, it was decreased from 10.3 to 9.3. High tech, it was increased from 7.6 to 8.2. Life sciences, it was increased from 6.7 to 7.1. Here they are getting more revenues from financial services, retail, communication, energy, utilities, resources, manufacturing. Later, revenues by client geography. Here from North America, they are getting 61.6%. That means North America is key area for INFOSYS. From Europe, they are getting 24%. From the rest of the world, they are getting 11.8%. Here, they are getting only 2.6% from India. Here we have client data, number of clients, active clients. It was increased from 1384 to 1562. This is positive point. Added during the period, that means in 3 months, it was increased from 84 to 139. This is positive sign. Later, number of $1 million clients. $1 million plus clients are, it was increased from 705 to 761. This is positive sign. For $10 million plus, it was increased from 232 clients to 246. For $50 million, here it was decreased from 61 to 60. That means they lost one client. For $100 million, it was decreased from 28 to 29. That means they lost one client. Here client contribution, top 5 clients, they are getting 10.8% revenues. Top 10 clients, 18.5%, top 25 clients 34.6%. That means their clients are distributed. Due to that one, they are reducing client risk. Let us repeat business. In 2019 quarter, they got 97.2% repeat business. In December 2020, they got 95.1%. Here 2% were decreased. Here days sales outstanding. Previous year 73 days. This year 73 days. So that's fine. Later we have utilization of employees information. Utilization contains two things, including trainees, excluding trainees. First, including trainees. In 2019, their utilization is 80.4%. In 2020, utilization is 82.3%. This is good sign. Excluding trainees. In 2019, 84.4%. This year, 86.3%. Here, utilization of excluding trainees is increased. So, this is positive sign. Later, employee metrics. Here, total employees increased from 2,43,454 to 2,49,312. From this employee list, software professionals are 2,29,658 to 2,34,829. Here, number of software professionals are increased. Here, attrition rate, previous year 15.8%, but this year 10%. Why this much of attrition was decreased means due to COVID, people are not moving from company. So due to that one, attrition rate is very low. Here, revenue per employee. In 2019, they generated $54,000 for employee. This year, they generated $54,300. Here, approximately similar. So, we'll ignore this one. What we can understand from this one is, from each employee, they are earning $54,300. Now, we'll check Infosys is overvalued or undervalued based on PE. Here, we have 5 quarters earning per share. In December quarter 3 2021, they got 12 rupees 23 pice. In September quarter, 11 rupees 41 pice. In quarter 1, 9 rupees 97 pice. In quarter 4 2020, they got 10 rupees 18 pice. In quarter 3 2020, they got 10 rupees 50 pice. Now we'll check PE before results and after results. Here, PE before result, price of Infosys before results is 1387 rupees. And earning per share for last 4 quarters, that is quarter 2 2021 to quarter 3 2020, that is 42 rupees 06 paisa. Here, if you want to find PE, then price by earning per share for last 4 quarters. Here 1387 by 42.06. We'll get 32.98 PE. After results, price is 1387 rupees. And PE for last 4 quarters is, here sum of these 4 quarters, that is 43.79. Here, due to good results, earning per share was increased. Previous quarter is 42.06 pice, now 43.79 pice. Here 1387 by 43.79 will get 31.67 PE. Here we will check price of Infosys in last 1 month. Here before 1 month, price of Infosys is 1164 rupees. Current price is 1371. That means it was increased from 1164 to 1387, approximately 210 rupees. Here we have PE for 8 years, 5 years and 3 years. So PE for 3 years median is 19.82. Current PE is 31.67. If you compare 3 years PE with current PE, that means 3 years PE is 19.82, current PE is 31.67. That means here Infosys is overvalued. Infosys is fundamentally very good stock. If you want to invest for long term, then we need to wait for correction and add after correction. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.